With 3 different sizes available, these Renegade industrial car stands are perfect for any workshop or garage. With a quality heavy-duty industrial construction, these stands are extremely durable and always up to the task. Finished in a gloss powder coat, these stands are resistant to corrosion, abrasion and most fluids. The ratchet design lifting system allows for quick height settings so the vehicle isn't suspended on a jack for longer than necessary. The 3 featured sizes are 2, 4 and 8 ton capacities. The 2-ton model is perfect for your standard vehicle sizes with a minimum height of 288mm and a maximum height of 425mm. Then we have the 4-ton model, which is suited for light industrial vehicles, 4-wheel drives and some commercial vehicles. It has a minimum height of 395mm and a max height of 605mm. Then the largest model at an 8-ton capacity. This one is great for your commercial vehicles and light trucks. It has a minimum height of 465mm and a maximum height of 715mm. Regardless of brand or price, we firmly believe that these Renegade industrial car stands are as good as anything on the market. They also make a great combo with our comprehensive range of Renegade industrial trolley jacks too. To check them out, make sure you visit your local Trade Tools store or visit online at tradetools.com.